Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you guys 10 brands that I do not pick up at the thrift store to sell on Poshmark for a couple of different reasons. Now, I just want to put a disclaimer before this video because I know I'm going to get comments being like, that brand sells for me. What is she talking about? That brand sells for me. This girl's crazy. Because I've gotten comments like that before when I've mentioned brands that don't sell for me. Yeah, you know, they might sell for you, but I'm just making this video to tell you guys what doesn't sell for me and my reasoning behind not picking up these brands, okay? Okay, first brand I want to talk about is LuLaRoe. So, when I first started thrifting, I would see, I still see LuLaRoe at the thrift stores like all the time, like so many pieces from LuLaRoe. So one of the thrift stores that's local to me, I swear somebody just gave all their inventory to this thrift store because there was a shit ton. Now I went there like, it was over the summertime. There was literally a shit ton of LuLaRoe clothes at this thrift store. And I think like an ex-LuLaRoe person just donated all their clothes. So have I sold any LuLaRoe? I think I have actually. Hold on, let me see. This is really weird. I know I sold LuLaRoe before, but I can't find, all right, let's see. Okay. Wait, maybe I didn't sell them. No, you know what? I didn't. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know where they are. They're in my mother's garage. Okay, so I picked up a couple of pieces from LuLaRoe over the summertime. Like their baseball tees. What are those called? I'm blanking on what they're called. But I picked up a couple. They look like baseball tees. You know, like the 3/4 length sleeves. What the hell are those called? I don't remember. But I picked up a couple of those because they had like kind of unique patterns and they sat in my closet. I didn't get any likes, any activity on them, and I'm like, what the hell? And I ended up putting them in a yard sale over the summertime at my mom's house. I'm like, okay, someone will buy them at the yard sale. Nobody bought them. They're definitely still in my mom's garage. I just remembered that. So yeah, LuLaRoe is something that I will not pick up because I just feel like it's not as popular as it once was. A little confession though, I did pick up 2 LuLaRoe shirts over the weekend that I got at the thrift store, and they were for my girls because they were like super cute and they were like $1.50. They were just like perfect shirts to wear with like their leggings, and I don't know, they were just cute. But as far as reselling goes, I will not pick up LuLaRoe. Okay, next brand is BCBG. Okay, so I feel like BCBG was a popular brand when I was in like high school, I feel like. I know I definitely had a BCBG like hoodie that was like velour and it was orange and it had like the BCBG rhinestones on it. And I had this shirt. Let me see if I can find the picture of it. But I had this shirt and it said BCBG on it. And I remember I took a picture of myself back in the MySpace days. I remember I took a picture of myself wearing this shirt and I did like, oh my gosh, I really hope I can find this picture and show you guys because, but yeah, I did like this, I don't know, I made like a weird face or something and it was like my MySpace profile picture. And I remember I got like so much hate for it because these friggin' idiots, I don't even remember who it was that like shitted on me for this picture, but they thought my shirt said whore on it and it totally said BCBG. And they're like, oh my gosh, she's wearing a shirt that says whore on it. And I'm like, it says BCBG on it, not whore. Like, what? Yeah, I hope I can find that picture and show you guys. But BCBG is just a brand that I don't pick up. It has a high retail value, but the resale value isn't good at all. I don't think I've sold anything BCBG. Have I? Let me check. I know I've picked up BCBG stuff, but I think I gave it to ThredUp. Actually, oh, I stand corrected. I sold a BCBG velour hoodie for $15, and then I sold, actually this skirt was cute. I sold this ruffle skirt for $25. But what is my pinky doing? Whoa. But yeah, I will not pick up BCBG again. Next, these 3 actually kind of go together. They're all mall brands. H&M, Forever 21, and Express. Express was a brand that was popular when I was in high school. Again, it's a brand that has a high retail value, but the resale value is not good at all. I've sold a couple of Express items, and I just pass by them. I see them all the time at the thrift store. I literally could go to one thrift store and get like a whole wardrobe from Express. Like I see it so often. H&M is another brand that I don't pick up, but I feel like there are some H&M pieces, if they're unique enough, you know, like if the style or like the print is unique enough, then it will sell. Also, the same goes with Forever 21. So Forever 21 is a super cheap brand. The materials that they use aren't the best quality, and I feel like, you know, everyone in the world knows that. That's why their prices are cheap. I have sold a couple of Forever 21 pieces, but not for a lot. Again, they have like some cute pieces, but not worth reselling because you won't get a lot of money at all. Okay, another brand is Torrid. So when I first started thrifting, everyone was like, Torrid sells, yes, plus size is all the rage. And I picked up a couple of Torrid pieces and they sat for a while. I ended up selling them, but they sat for a while. And Torrid is another brand that I see all the time, and unless it's like super unique, actually, I feel like that might go with all these brands. Unless it's like a super unique piece, I'll just stay away from it with all these brands. Okay, Juicy Couture. No. I picked up some, actually, did I sell these? See, I don't even know. I feel like, no, hold on, I gotta check. I picked up some super cute Juicy Couture booties over the summertime, or like, no, in the springtime when I first started reselling, and I was like, oh my gosh, Juicy Couture, this is gonna sell really fast. They were so cute. I don't still have a picture of them, but they were brown booties, and they were really cute. And yeah, they sat for a few months, and then at the yard sale that I had over the summertime, I brought them there, and I'm like, okay, they'll sell here, and they didn't sell there. So those are also in my parents' garage. It's again another brand where the retail value is high, but the resale value just really isn't there. Along with Michael Kors, I think I've sold 2 Michael Kors pieces, and it just doesn't sell for me. They sat for a long time, and I don't know, I've never really been into the Michael Kors brand. I feel like it's very overpriced for what you get. I don't feel like Michael Kors clothing or purses are good quality. I think it's ridiculously overpriced, so that's another reason why I won't pick up Michael Kors. Okay, True Religion. True Religion, I feel like it's like a throwback brand. I sold a True Religion shirt and a pair of jeans, and they sat for a while, and I see True Religion pretty often. And I don't pick it up anymore because, again, high retail, low resale. Okay, and the last brand is Gloria Vanderbilt. So I guarantee you can go to a thrift store right now and find at least 10 pairs of Gloria Vanderbilt jeans. I feel like I see them. I feel like when I'm going through the jeans, it's like every other one. I know she passed away recently, and I had a Gloria Vanderbilt shirt that I had gotten in a Goodwill mystery box. That was a mistake. I feel like I should make a video on that because the Goodwill mystery box, I've gotten a couple of them, and it was just a mistake. But yeah, I got a Gloria Vanderbilt piece in a Goodwill mystery box, and I listed it right after she had passed away, and I'm like, okay, this will sell because, you know, everyone's talking about her. It didn't sell. Again, it was one of those pieces I ended up bringing to the yard sale. I thought it would sell at the yard sale. It didn't sell there either, and it's still in my mom's garage. But yeah, Gloria Vanderbilt jeans, you can find them literally at any thrift store, and I just feel like it doesn't sell. Okay, so 2 other brands that I want to mention are Crew and Abercrombie. So I won't pick up any Abercrombie clothes unless they are jeans, but they have to be specific jeans. Now with Crew, I again pick up specific Crew jeans and specific Crew like unique pieces. But other than that, I just stay away from those brands. Again, I feel like those are brands that are plentiful, but unless it's specific jeans or unique pieces, it won't sell. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know if you agree with me, if you disagree with me. I know there are gonna be people like, Vanessa, oh my god, you're crazy. I've sold like 3,000 million Juicy Couture things. I know there's gonna be people that say stuff like that, so I'm prepared. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't mind my ratchet nails. I will have a link to other Poshmark videos that I've done down below, as well as a link to my Poshmark closet. If you're new to Poshmark and you sign up and use my code, Keepin' It Rad, you will get a $10 credit. So you can use that to get $10 off your first purchase, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.